Hello, welcome to our video on how to create a new project in the CalCerts registry. First, you're going to open up a browser, and we always recommend using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and type in www.calcerts.com and click enter. Towards the upper left of the page, click on New Project. Then you're going to use our wizard to decide which type of project that you need to create. So let's pretend that we're replacing an air conditioner and installing all new ductwork as well as a few new windows. So in this example, we're going to choose an alterations project. The next step is to identify whether or not you already have a permit. We'll say that we don't have a permit yet. And finally, because we're installing an air conditioner along with windows, we're going to choose Features Beyond the HVAC System. And finally, click Create Project. You'll be routed to a page where you're required to enter in some basic information about your project. You're going to give your project a name and fill in the address and the zip code. The city and the local enforcement agency should populate for you, and then click on Create Project. Now you're on the project homepage. Please make a note of the project ID, which is towards the top of the page. This is very helpful information for us if you need to call us for assistance. Now you're going to be using the multicolored hexagons at the top of the page to navigate through your project. At this point, the only form available is the CF1R, so let's go to it now. Once you've made it to the CF1R page, you're going to start entering in your data. Click on Report Results to open each individual form and start plugging in information. As you're working your way through the forms, you're going to click Next in the bottom right-hand corner to change pages. And once the form has been completely filled out, you're going to click on Save and then Submit. And as each form is submitted, you'll be brought back to the primary CF1R page where you can view the forms that have been completed as well as the forms that still need to be completed. Once you've submitted all the necessary data into the forms, you're going to come back to the CF1R page, and you're going to be able to see that all the forms that were required are now done. If you need to make any changes to the data that you had entered into the form, you can click on this little house to resubmit that particular form. Also, if you want to download the form, you can click on the Adobe Acrobat symbol to download the document. And that's how to start a project. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video for step-by-step instructions on signing the forms.